lady from GISA was quite clear that she can see in any instant case where her members put forward information to that joint select committee as to
Yeah.
what they wanted from the bill, and now the bill has passed the Senate, it's heading to the House of Representatives to be debated and then passed there, hopefully. At this late stage is when she feels that we need clarity and further information. But I don't think it's the disciplinary issue that they have with the JTC. It is the ability for them to control the disciplinary process that
Exactly.
the
Yeah.
JTA have an issue with. And
Mhm.
I am appalled by how we're going about this and this, I don't even want to say reverence that we have for the Jamaica Teachers Union, because I refuse to call that body an association from this point on. The Jamaica Teachers Union has the political parties and almost all other stakeholders in education kowtowing to their demands
Yeah.
in this almost fear mongering way that I have serious issue with.